Hi everyone. Today we'll be discussing on how to make a payment to the FTA and how to allocate these payments. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's important to know what are the options to make a payment to the FTA. Not just to select the easier and safer option, but also to make sure that the amount gets credited to the FTA online portal on time in order to avoid for penalties. There are basically three options that businesses have. The first option is using an E-Dirham card. This payment is made on the FTA online portal under the My Payments section. The transaction fee is 3 dirhams and will reflect in the account in less than 150 minutes if not immediately. Another option is using a credit card. The payments are made using again the FTA online portal under the My Payments section. Here the transaction fee is roughly 2 to 3% of the payment amount and will reflect on the account in less than 150 minutes if not immediately. The third option is by doing a bank transfer. This can be done by using a local or even an international bank. This is done by adding FTA as a beneficiary using the GIBAN number mentioned in the dashboard of the FTA portal. GIBAN is a unique IBAN number that is allocated to each registrant. Here, the fees vary from bank to bank. For local transfers, it will reflect in the online account in less than 24 hours. And for international transfers, it could take 2 to 3 days. A registrant also has the option to decide on how the payment gets allocated. There are basically three options available on the online portal. The tax liability to be cleared first, administrative penalties to be cleared first, or the oldest liabilities to be cleared first. Let's discuss this with an example. If the business has the following liabilities: August tax liability of 10,000 dirhams, August administrative penalty of 2,000 dirhams, September tax liability of 12,000 dirhams, and a September administrative penalty of 2,000 dirhams, and the business decides to make a payment of 12,000 dirhams. If the first option is selected, that is the tax liability being cleared first, then the 12,000 dirhams will be allocated to the August and September tax liability, and the remaining tax liability will be 10,000 dirhams, and the administrative penalty would remain at 4,000 dirhams. If the second option is selected, which is the administrative penalty being cleared first, then 4,000 dirhams will be allocated towards the August and September administrative penalty, and 8,000 dirhams will be allocated towards the August tax liability. The remaining tax liability will be 14,000 dirhams, and there will be no administrative penalty remaining. If the third option is selected, which is the oldest liability cleared first, then the August tax liability of 10,000 dirhams and the August administrative penalty of 2,000 dirhams will be cleared off using the 12,000 dirhams paid, and the remaining liability will be 12,000 of the September tax liability and 2,000 of the September administrative penalty. Hope this video brought some more clarity in understanding the different options to make a payment to the FTA and how to allocate these payments correctly. Thank you all for listening.